All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start talking about this tomato plant. This tomato plant's been growing, oh, I don't know, we're close to 2 months now, and maybe in a month and a half. And it all comes out of one single site up here. And you can see it branches down, and it's all one single stem all the way to there. And we have our fruit set coming in right here, which is awesome. We've got another one right here, and another one right here, and another one right there. So multiple fruit sets. Now I'm gonna show you how to prune this. And what we don't want, I can't remember if they're called suckers or runners. Either way, it's this thing right here. And this is growing out of the node of this tomato plant. And it is in between a leaf set and the main vine. So we're actually gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut all of these, because what this would do is it would create its own main or a secondary branching vine off the main vine. And we just want one main vine. So we're gonna go ahead and cut all of these little branches that are coming off of the main vine. And now you can see there's even a tiny one that's coming out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that as well. Oh, you can hear that our dosing just got activated. You can see our lines just pumped in, and we're now transferring in water from our big tank to the smaller one. So you'll actually be able to see this tick down in real time here in just a second. There we go. Yep, so it's drinking water. I'll probably add some back in once it's done doing its whole refill. It was thirsty, it needed it. All right, now back to the tomato. So here's a long sucker right here. You can see that that's trying to shoot up and make its own secondary branch. We don't want that. So we're gonna come in here. We're going to snip it right at the base. Perfect. It wasn't even really at the base, but it's okay. And then we're gonna leave this guy, because that's a fruit set. We're gonna leave this guy. You can see I've already taken one of those sucker branches off of here. And then, let's see, going down further and further. All right, there's our next sucker, right there. And then you can see we've got another fruit set right here. So this is wonderful. This is gonna do great. You just wanna make sure to remove those. There's one small one coming out of here, yep. You wanna remove those. You don't want anything growing up there. So that is how you prune your tomato, to make one long branch. And having it draped down like this is fine. Also, it's kind of nice to put it up and over the lights. That's also nice.